Hello everyone, welcome to DIN Talks. So today we are here with another video for you. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. There's a rumor in the air. Well, OnePlus may have something for you. Though it has not announced anything about the phone, the release of the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is still rumored. The release is expected in June 2021. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G is a new smartphone from OnePlus. A 6.43-inch touchscreen display is rumored to be included in the phone. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G CPU is anticipated to power the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G utilizes OnePlus's own rapid charging technology. In terms of cameras, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is expected to have a triple camera configuration with a 64-megapixel main camera. It will come with a glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back with a dual SIM including Nano SIM and dual standby to add to the features. Autofocus is available on the back camera. It's said to include a single selfie camera, a 16-megapixel main camera. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G runs Android 11. It's expected that the OnePlus Nord CE 5G will be a dual SIM device. Wi-Fi, GPS, and USB Type-C are claimed to be included in the OnePlus Nord CE 5G's connectivity choices. Accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor are said to be among the phone's sensors. According to the rumors, the phone is supposed to contain a triple camera feature with 64-megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and 2-megapixel depth camera with LED flash, HDR, and panorama features. It will include 4K videos at 30 frames per second, 1080 pixels at 30 to 60 frames per second, and gyro EIS. It is supposed to have a single 16 megapixels wide selfie camera with a video capacity of 1080 pixels at 30 to 60 frames per second. The handset is expected to come with an internal storage of 64 gigabytes, 6 gigabytes RAM, and internal storage of 128 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes RAM, and does not include a card slot. There is a WLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and USB Type-C provision in the phone, with the latest updates and optimum quality. It is said to include an under-display optical fingerprint sensor with accelerometer, gyro, and proximity. It will come with a 30-watt fast charging with a capacity of charging 70% of the phone in 30 minutes as per advertisement. As per the rumors, this 5G smartphone will come only in black color. This was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Do let us know in the comments below what you think about the new OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Do you think the rumors hold water? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you don't miss a new video.